Alright guys, well, we're back down here today. Working on this area down here. Planning on moving this giant pile of brush I've been stacking up. Probably just gonna cut about half of it and move it to the left, just because I just think it's a little bit too close to this garden here to where the heat might kill some of those plants in there. So I think I'm gonna have to kind of chop it in half and move it to the left, but it's gonna be pretty simple. But kind of wanted to do a simple project with this thing the first time I'm using it, because we just got the grapple here and the third function hooked on. Took forever to get that to come in, but finally got it. Grapple looks pretty sweet. I tried it once. I picked up something that was in that pile just to test it out, but yeah, it seems like it's gonna work pretty good. Before I was just using the pallet forks to move all that stuff, as you guys can see in my older videos, but yeah, this thing should make it a lot easier. What I was thinking is, like when I clear woods and stuff, that thicker stuff over there, if I want to clear it farther back, I think I could just run in with the chainsaw, chop it real quick. Instead of going in, pulling it out by hand, then picking up with the forks, I can just drive right in and grab it and pull it out. So yeah, we might make a video of me doing that sometime in the future. But yeah, I'll show you guys the handle they put on here. As you guys can see, it's a little different. Shows the controls here. You got a button there, so still the same controls everywhere, but you hold down this button and then the open and close the grapple. Open and close, you just, while you're holding down the button, move it left and right, and that'll open and close the grapple. You guys can see all the stuff they got hooked up here. This thing looked like it was a little bit low, so I'm gonna move this up a bit. Let's go ahead and set this camera up here and see if we can start moving a little bit of this over to the left a bit, so we can finally get this big burn pile burn up and out of the way. Alrighty guys, well, I think the camera might have cut off. Definitely got some learning to do. I was getting confused a few times with holding down the bucket and moving it left and right to open and close it, but that's just something I gotta learn. But yeah guys, seems like it's working pretty good. Some of the stuff I picked up, I definitely couldn't get with the pallet forks. Some of the stuff was pretty small, as you can see in there. A lot of small stuff that probably would have just fell right through if I tried to get them with the pallet forks. But yeah guys, really, you probably wouldn't really need the grapple for this project, but made it a little bit easier. The main thing I would think the grapple is for is picking up logs and stuff, and picking up small branches and brush, all that. This stuff was a little bit harder to pick up due to there being a lot of heavy logs and stuff mixing in with the brush, but if that was all brush, probably could have gotten some bigger piles picked up. But yeah, moved it over to the left a little bit, as you can see, chopped it about right there. I think that's a far enough distance away from the garden here. And yeah, I know it looks like a bunch of weeds, but it's a bunch of weeds growing in between all the plants. You guys can see the corn growing back there. But yeah guys, my camera is about to die. It's giving me the flash right now, telling me it's gonna die on us. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll probably make more videos using this thing, so let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see me do anything with the grapple here. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you did. Currently sitting at about 333 subscribers, so thank you guys all who subscribed. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed, and I will see y'all on the next one.